When challenges come, Iligan does not surrender. Instead, the city responds with unity, compassion, and determination. Government agencies, local leaders, private organizations, volunteers, and ordinary citizens come together to rebuild and recover. The resilience is one of Iligan's greatest strengths. It is the same resilience that transforms challenges into opportunities. It is the same resilience that continues to attract investment, generate employment, and drive economic growth. Indeed, Iligan's contribution to regional development cannot be overstated. As we celebrate this milestone in Iligan City's history, we also recognize that your achievements are part of a larger story. A story of a region that is moving forward, united, and with a strong sense of purpose. Sa pagkatinuod, ang kahimtang sa atong national ekonomiya niubos tungod sa niaging tuig nga ubos ang atong public expenditures brought about by the flood control controversies. And the first quarter of this year, the US-Iran conflict has disturbed our economy. But despite of that, in 2025, our region, Northern Mindanao, posted an economic growth rate of 4.9%, rising above the national average and sustaining an economy now valued at over 1 trillion pesos. This performance was driven by a dynamic service sector, strong local enterprises, and the collective efforts of our communities, local governments, and development partners. At the same time, ang atong peace and order across the region have continued to improve. Declining crime rates, high crime resolution efficiency, and stronger law enforcement operations have helped create a more stable, secure, and investment-friendly environment, laying the foundation for inclusive and sustainable development. Ingon ana ang Northern Mindanao. As a matter of fact, during the last National Peace and Order Council meeting, it was highlighted na alarma ang national government because in the national situation, nag-increase ang crime of robbery to 20%. Pero dire sa atong region, ang 8 focus crime, including robbery, miubos og 12%. Dako ang contribution sa dakbayan sa Iligan tungod sa maayo ang atong peace and order. In this regional journey, Iligan City plays a critical role. Iligan is not just a neighboring city. It is a key partner in driving regional growth and transformation. Og ang contribution sa Iligan, sa Kalambuan, sa Northern Mindanao, dili gayud malimod. In fact, in 2024, Iligan City recorded an impressive 8.8% economic growth rate, higher than the national average of 5.6%. Og mas taas pa kaysa 6% nga growth rate gitala sa tibuok Northern Mindanao. Kini nga kalampusan nagpamutuod nga ang Iligan dili lang naglambo nga syudad, kundili usa ka mahinungdanong makina sa pagtubo sa ekonomiya sa Region 10. Ang kusog sa Iligan makapadayag og positibong epekto sa negosyo, employment, investment o paglambo sa mga silinganang lugar. As our region continues to advance, the role of the Regional Development Council of Northern Mindanao becomes even more important. And from these realities, we strengthened our direction to put more place into Mas Asinso Northern Mindanao agenda. Ang atong region, Northern Mindanao, Asinso na sad, sama sa dakbayan sa Iligan. Apan, ubos sa akong pagdumala as RDC Chair, atong gilantaw nga mas mo Asinso pagayod kita. Busa ang usa ka programa nato didto sa Misamis Occidental on education, ang One Family, One Professional, nga among gitunguha nga makabot namo ang dapat kada pamilya adunay professional para ma-overcome ang poverty situation. Kada OPOP grantee or scholar makadawat og 25,000 pesos per semester as educational assistance or 50,000 a year. Ako kini karong gi-introduce sa whole region. I am able to secure funds to fund 1,000 grantees or scholars starting this August or this semester of this